तैयार हो ना? हाँ बिल्कुल चलो। Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Today we are going on a tour. Can you guess the place? Keep watching and keep guessing. I was so excited about today's tour that I could barely sleep last night. So I woke up early, got ready as quickly as I could, and let's go! We didn't really have a fixed budget. Since this was a last minute plan, we decided to save our money by taking a local bus from Gonapara to Noapara. From there, we hired 2 autos and headed towards our location. So, can you guess where we are going? Ta-da! Of course, it's the historic Shad Mosque or the 60 Dome Mosque in Bagerhat. As we all know, Bagerhat is one of Bangladesh's UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Every year, countless visitors from home and abroad come here to explore the remarkable historic city. And as for me, this is my very first visit. Do you know what's most interesting about the 60 Dome Mosque? Despite its name, 60 Dome, it doesn't actually have 60 domes. The main structure has 77 small domes and 7 tower-like turrets at the 4 corners. It is believed that the word 60 wasn't meant to indicate an exact number, but rather to represent many. This magnificent mosque was built nearly 600 years ago by Khan Jahan Ali and remains one of the finest examples of medieval architecture in Bengal. After exploring the mosque, we discovered a beautiful lake behind it. The place was incredibly peaceful and vast. The fresh breeze and the surrounding scenery were simply breathtaking. Actually, there's a museum at the entrance, but we were so eager to see the mosque that we skipped it at first. So now let's go back and visit the museum. The museum preserves numerous historical artifacts, including centuries-old pottery, terracotta objects, ancient household items, and many others archaeological treasures. I will show you only a few highlights, otherwise this would take up the entire video. The funniest part was seeing those huge stone balls. I could not help but wonder, did people play cricket or shot put with them? Who knows? Next, we headed to the Mausoleum of Khan Jahan Ali, which is a short auto rickshaw ride distance from the mosque. Personally, I'm not interested in visiting shrines, so instead I spent some time by the famous pond beside the mausoleum. Honestly, I absolutely loved the place. The cool breeze, the peaceful atmosphere, beautiful surroundings made it incredibly relaxing. The weather had been perfectly all day, truly 10 out of 10. I felt as if all my tiredness simply disappeared. Anyway, it was an amazing day overall. Don't miss any opportunity if you ever get time to visit the 60 Dome Mosque in Bagerhat. It's definitely a place worth exploring. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.